Morning, guys. Today is Friday, August 1st. Wow, summer's going quick. Last night we got into Canton, Akron area last night for the Hall of Fame game. What a cool experience that was. Meaningless game really for the league, but still something fun to do. Might be a yearly thing. We'll see. I don't know. It's 6 a.m. right now. Got about 7 hours-ish to my destination in New York. And we're cruising. We're ready to roll. Should be nice weather this afternoon, so we'll be able to get on the water and hopefully catch some fish. We'll see you when we get there. What's up, guys? Just got done making my pit stop. I needed some fuel, a little bite to eat. I'm almost to my destination. I got about 3-ish hours to go and making good time. The owners of my Airbnb are allowing me to check in there early, which is great. Give me time to get there, get settled in, and then should have a decent amount of time to get on the water this afternoon. So I'm pretty excited. Stay tuned for more, guys. Should be good. All right, finally fishing. Gonna see what we can't do. There we go. Bam, baby. Oh, that's what's up. Boom. I will take it. Not a giant, but my first fish. Not in Wisconsin. Get weight on him and get him back in the water. Probably a pound and a half, I bet. Wow. 150 on the head. I gotta get a cool picture. There we go. I think it's another small one. That's how your grandfather. Jeez. Bam. Something's shaking down. Boom. Boom. That would be fish number 4. Really? I mean, the bait is bigger than the fish. Oh well. Bye-bye. I suppose. I guess you take the small ones with the big ones. Oh. Lost one there. There we go. Bang. Okay. Could be a little bigger. Whatever. Fish is a fish, in my opinion. Come a long way for this. Most will think I'm crazy, but most will think I'm crazy, but Sammy, who I'm out here with, I talked to her a handful of times about doing some fishing with her, and from last summer 2024 to this spring, it is finally here. I really can't believe how fast the time has gone, but I can already sense more trips out this way, whether it's for fishing or some other outdoor activity. We were supposed to be on kayaks. I got a little weirded out because I'm a bigger guy and some of them aren't rated for bigger guys, and she's got one that's rated for my weight. I don't know. I think maybe I should just try it. What's gonna happen? I get wet. There we go. This feels like a good one. Come on. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Oh yeah. Yeah, baby. Boom. That's what we're talking about right there, baby. Yeah. Y'all want to know why I drove 14 hours? Bam! Right there, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Oh. Talk about a rush, you guys. Unbelievable. This is awesome. I don't even know what to say. Don't even know what to say. I'll take a picture here real quick. My personal phone. Sorry. Let's flip that bad boy around. Because of this right here. It's the only reason why I'm just having fun out here right now. Let's do a timer. There we go. Oh, let's get a weight on it. The other one was 1.5. This is fish number 5. Oops. Just over 2. 2.02. The other bigger one was 1.5. Awesome. Nice release on her. And there she goes. I'm like shit and grins right now. I drove 14 hours. It was like actually 14 hours and 30 minutes or something. It was almost 1,000 miles for that. Look at that. Got it ripped in half. I stopped at Rossford Bass Pro in Ohio because I didn't have any Senkos. So I wanted to get some Senkos, and then tomorrow we're fishing for smallies, so I wanted to get some Ned rig gear. Well, guess what I'm catching them on? Black red flake Senkos. Wacky rigged. Gotta get back in there so I can catch some more before it's done. Cervicide Facebook page made a quote the other day, or like a couple weeks ago, and it couldn't have been more true. And all it said was, every mile leads to a moment. Whether that's driving, flying, whatever sort of transportation used to travel for hunt links and field links, and just to simply meet up with other members, couldn't have been more true. A 14-hour drive did that for nights like this. And this is just the beginning. Got quite a bit of time tomorrow. We're gonna target a different lake for smallmouth, which I hope we can catch a few of them, because that's gonna be fun. And then Sunday, I'm not entirely sure what's planned for Sunday. I think one reason why I am the way I am is, I lost my dad at a young age. Me and my brother did. I was 14, he was 12, and just taught me that, appreciate the moments that you get in life to enjoy. Don't sweat the small stuff. Just go live. I mean, cannot even believe I'm in the state of New York fucking bass fishing. I'll tell you that. I hauled my 14-foot John boat 1,000 miles to do this. Although I didn't have to. Sammy's a big kayaker. She said there's some back and forth about that. I don't know. The kayaking thing, I think that might be something I would want to try first. I don't know. I don't know. All I know is I don't want it to get dark, because this is fun. Gotta also do a shout out for my girlfriend. She, some of you don't know, we have twins together, and if it wasn't for her really just let me do what I love to do, I wouldn't be here. My girls are a little on the young side, but very, very soon that she's gonna be taking trips with me and doing some family trips. Don't know what or where, but only time will tell. There's lots of things to see and do and around. We will
Really? Does this count? You are not very big at all. It's gonna be interesting tomorrow with Sammy. I've never fished with anyone else other than myself. Hooked into one, but he got me in the weeds. Man, felt a lot bigger than that. This is fish number 7. Oh man, he's got this thing sucked to his butt. That's never good. I hate that. go. Oh! I think I ripped it out of his mouth. Fish had it. There we go. Another stink one. Yep, another small one. Small ones need loving too. Keeps you busy anyway. Back to worms. Is that fish number 8? There we go. Fish on. Another small one.
Not a big one, but I think that's it, guys. What a day it was today. Drove the final 7 hours out here and got to hang out with Sammy a bit. Had a great day. That was fish number 9 on the night, so I cannot complain for a lake I've never fished before. Obviously, Sammy, she's got the hookups. She knows what's going on, so that helps big time. We're gonna get off the water and we will see you guys in the morning. Just gonna try the sister lake for smallmouth tomorrow. We'll see how that goes. We'll see ya.
Okay. I didn't get yours. I didn't get your tree.
It was bound somebody was going to snag a tree.
I am the second,
yeah, but
I am the second person to snag a tree.
the problem is I got mine out.
Yeah. I was nice enough not to video yours.
I mean, you could have. Morning, guys. Sorry I didn't post an update yesterday. I chose not to record when Sam and I were fishing together. Then we had the concert last night, which was pretty dang cool. It's been a while since I've been to one, so that was definitely enjoyable. We're at the state park today, trying it from shore. You gotta have a special permit to use a kayak or boat on this water, so we'll be on shore today. So stay tuned. Let's see what we get. Okay, yeah, I would say so. Nice. Good morning, everybody. What a weekend. I cannot stress. That was so a blast, and caught some fish, had some fun out in the city a little bit. And honestly, I cannot wait to go back. Just been cruising for a little while now, and I got a long day of travel ahead of me today, but just a quick last update of the weekend, and as soon as I get home, I'll let everybody know. That about wraps it up, guys. I just pulled in my driveway. Did a full day of driving to get back home. Unfortunately, back to reality tomorrow. But for all of you that watched and got to see the excitement we had over the weekend, I appreciate you. The video to come soon. So, with that being said, we'll see you next time.